How's it going today, guys? Casino Trading coming to you with another nPOC and daily POC update video. It is Thursday, and we normally do these on Wednesday, but it was my wife's birthday yesterday, so I ended up spending the time with her and the fam. So let's just kind of jump right into this. Now, I did talk about wanting a retest of lower down into these nPOC prints. Now, that's going to be a long entry, right? I know a lot of people are bearish. This is a retest of the lows. Maybe we do go lower, but I still think that, longing in this area, as you guys know, we've longed for, really a while now, really since all the way back here in 81. We got an average around that 78, and we were able to take in profits into yesterday, right? I'm not really interested in shorting until we get a move higher into 86,863. There's a lot of confluence levels there. One, we kind of have like this current range, right? We have highs, we have lows, upper limit, lower limit, and then we also have nPOC prints in confluence with that, right? So at upper limit, we have 86,863, and at lower limit, we have 74,265, right? So for me, I wait for those high conviction areas to approach, right? We also have this channel trend as well, which again, same concept as current ranges, upper limit, lower limit. We're sitting at lower limit of a channel trend, lower limit of a current range, along with some nPOC level confluence. I still think that this does offer a good bounce area on Bitcoin, right? And I've talked about that. I do think my focus right now is Bitcoin. There are some altcoins that I'm watching. I did jump into an XRP long, still willing to kind of work that long out, add more if we go lower, especially after taking risk off yesterday. So we'll see kind of how that plays out, but I still think that we can retest higher. If we get a retest lower, looking to bid that. And if we get a move up higher, that could potentially be a bearish retest down to the downside. Right now, do I think that a bearish retest is coming? No, I don't think so. But personally, you could still trade this range and make somewhat of a killing if it continues to range, right? I still think BTC is going to take a lot of time to dig out of this. Let's just get into current environment on nPOC levels for ETH. So again, let's just approach this as if you have no exposure, you have no trades open, you have some sideline capital that you want to trade. Next area of interest I'm looking to long based on nPOC prints, if you're not willing to long here, is going to be that 1200 area, right? We have prints down 1335, 1262, 1249, and then 1088, right? So that is all still an area to kind of be longing. I know that we've kind of talked about a retest of lower, and we've also talked about here what we created. And if we go to our high term time frame, that's right around where this circle is, right? Between 1600 and 1400 is really that high term time frame retest where I think we can get a bullish bounce out of this level, right? And so again, I still think that overall this is a good area to be longing Ethereum based off of how you want to be trading. That's kind of what I'm looking at on Ethereum. I think a lot of people are giving up on Ethereum, and rightfully so. I've had my long nights of thinking and wanting to just sell all of my Ethereum. But, at the end of the day, we'll see how it goes. Still going to take a level-headed approach going forward. Looking at a high-term time frame, I would be kind of stupid to be capitulating here right at high-term time frame support. So not going to do it regardless. I still think trade the range until it breaks. If you're looking to short, 1753 is the nPOC print to short. And again, it plays a pretty good level, right? Bounce there, support on low-term time frames. That's where it broke down and cracked. And so a retest of that 1753 nPOC print is a good area to, one, either take profits into from lower, like if you're adding in at these levels, at the 1400, 1500 levels, this would be a take profit level for me, right? It wouldn't be a level for me to long into. That's kind of exactly what I'm saying, to where if you wait to long into this, you're paying a premium on that long instead of longing it down here where you can get a discount, right? And so that's kind of what we're looking at on Ethereum. Please just follow along in the Telegram, guys. That is where you're going to get the giveaways, where we're going to be doing more of. Shout out to the winner yesterday. I want to be doing like one $500 giveaway a week. We'll see how things go. So stay tuned on that. And then also just thank you for being a part of the community, guys. If you guys have any questions with CoinCatch, if you have any questions with Breakout Prop, please don't be afraid to hit me up and we can kind of get you squared away. But I will see you guys over in the Telegram. It's going to be probably a crazy few weeks of trading, so it is time to lock in and make sure that we're watching it every morning. But see you over there. Peace.